In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a registration form easily using Wix. As we walk through this process, I'll provide you with clear instructions and some handy tips to ensure you make the most out of your registration form to enhance user interaction and gather the necessary data effectively. First, let's get started by opening up the Wix editor or studio in your Chrome browser. Once you're on your Wix account, head over to your site dashboard and access the editor where you can start making the changes to your website. The Wix editor is a powerful tool, offering an awesome drag and drop interface that makes it super intuitive to add new features to your site without any coding knowledge. Now with the editor opened, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you will find an Add button. Clicking on this button unveils a menu of options that can be added to your site. From this menu, we are interested in the Contact and Forms section, so go ahead and click on it. Within the Contact and Forms category, a variety of templates will be presented to you, but focus on finding and selecting the registration form. This is a pre-made form that you can customize to suit your specific needs. Once the registration form is placed on your site, you can start customizing the form fields. Think about the kind of information you need from your users, such as their name, email, and password. For some ventures, you may want to add additional fields such as phone numbers or addresses depending on how much detail you require. Wix makes it very easy to add and remove fields, so feel free to tailor it to your needs. Simply click on the form field you wish to change or customize. Next, we'll configure the submission settings and notifications. This is a crucial step to ensure that you receive the form submissions and that your users receive confirmation messages upon submitting the form. Open the form settings to adjust these options. You can set where submissions are sent and what kind of confirmation message they receive, or even integrate with third-party applications for enhanced functionality like automated email marketing. It's important to double-check these settings to ensure everything is directed to the correct destinations and that your users have a seamless experience. With the form customized and settings configured, proceed to add the form to your desired page. You can do this by dragging the form to the location on your web page where you want it to appear. Consider the user flow and accessibility when deciding on the form's position on the page, making it easy for your visitors to find and use. Finally, after all this hard work, don't forget to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Save button at the top of the screen. Once saved, publish your site so the changes go live. And there you have it, a fully customized and operational registration form ready for your users to begin signing up.